Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can create passkeys for your Google account easily. So this is very simple on your mobile or laptop on any device. Just open the Chrome browser. See, currently this is the Gmail account, right? What I'll do is I'll search this g.co passkey. So we want to create the passkey, so this is the link. Create a passkey for your Google account. Click on create the passkey here, and remember, for each Google account you can create separate passkey, and for each device you can create separate passkey. First of all, it is asking me to enter my phone lock, so I entered. So before going any further, I want to tell you what is the use of this passkey creation. Say for example, from this mobile device I just log out here. Next time what this Chrome will ask, when I want to enter into this Gmail account, that may be for YouTube, for any other Google service related one, it will ask me to enter the password, right? Instead of that password, just with the fingerprint or the device lock, you can enter or log in. So let us create. I just now created, clicked on create passkey. Then again there is an option called create a passkey. Create passkeys on your device, or you can create passkey on your security key. Okay. And here it is saying like, with passkeys you can securely sign into your Google account using just your fingerprint, face unlock and screen unlock, or security key, whatever it may be. I'm clicking on create passkey. Yeah, create a passkey on device or another device. So I'll be choosing on this device only, create a passkey. And now it is asking me to touch the fingerprint or face recognition. So I'll be giving my fingerprint. Yeah, see here, once I have given the fingerprint, it is saying like you already have a passkey on this device. So use another device. For another device I can create another passkey, but remember this thing. So when I want to log into this Gmail account or the YouTube account which is related to this Gmail, or any service which is related to the Google, I can just give my fingerprint and sign in. So this is the use of passkeys. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.